Hey guys, Joe Tuma here at Integrate 2025. I'm here on the Logitech stand. We've got the Rallyboard 65 here on a mobile cart. Rallyboard 65 is our newest all-in-one solution with Android-based CollabOS on board. This board here comes in our graphite color. It's an all-in-one touchscreen device. One of the coolest features about our Rallyboard 65 is on our mobile cart solution, we can actually flip it. You can see our awesome cable management as well from the back. It's nice, clean solution. We've got our personal workspace solutions on display, our most premium keyboard and mouse setup with our MX Combo, as well as our Logitech MX Brio webcam, our Logidock Flex, which is the most perfect solution for hot desking and desk booking, as well as our most premium headset and my favorite, the Zone Wireless 2.
Logitech offers a wide range of headsets, both wired and wireless, all certified for Microsoft Teams, Zoom, Google, and multiple UC platforms. Welcome to our Alliance Walk. On the left of me, we have a Microsoft Teams room today, running Meetup 2, USB kit, and a Rally Bar Mini. We have our Google room, made for medium rooms, using our Logitech Huddle with a Tap Cat5 and Tap IP.
And finally, with our Alliance partner Zoom, we've got our Rally Bar large meeting room solution paired with a Tap IP. It's running Zoom on Android here.
We're going to talk about our new Logitech Spot. It is our first in-room sensor made for health statuses and occupancy. Works with our Logitech Sync platform, giving you CO2 levels, temperature, humidity, and available to be retrofitted to all our Logitech devices.
I'm here in our traditional meeting room space. Today we've got our front of room camera with our Rally Bar, which is our large meeting room solution, paired up in here with our Sight center of room table camera. Sight includes 115-degree field of view and 7 beamforming mics. It allows people sitting at the table to be front and center with those joining on the other end of the call. The brains of the meeting are here in our Logitech Tap, which is running today Microsoft Teams rooms on Android, as well as our Logitech Scribe whiteboard camera, which ingests traditional whiteboard content into your Microsoft Teams rooms meeting. Today we're showing off our latest Rally Camera Streamline kit with our 3 preset buttons, ideal for education environments. If I hit that button, the camera is now pointing towards me on that first preset, but if I move towards the other button, I want the camera to now point towards me because I've moved, and now in my meeting, I need the students to be able to see me clearly.